Okay, in the last video we worked through the site footer on the page and replaced it with our own tag. So we're going to do the same for the site header. Now there's three items in this header. There is some flags, sometimes you get currency as well. Now Easywebstore doesn't support multi-language multi-currency at present, so first of all we're going to remove those flags. Okay, and we do this dead easily by finding them in the HTML and removing them. I'm just going to use the find function to find the word German. We're going to get rid of the image and the hyperlink around both flags. There we go, gone in one go. They will vanish. Okay, and we're going to get rid of this grey line, which I can work out what's causing it, and it looks like the class stick, which is on the TD, is set to have a faint background. So the quickest way is to remove the class stick. Okay, obviously you might want to clean this up more if you were working on it. Okay, let's have a look. There we go, it's gone. Okay, and next the shopping cart status control. Quick and easy. We just click to swap the tag out, choose cart status control, choose the block with it in, click the button, and behind the scenes what that actually is doing is copying the HTML to the shopping cart status tag and putting the shopping cart status tag in place. So there we go, we can see just there underneath, next to where I removed the flags, we've got the shopping cart status control. Now this has inner HTML, and if we click here we can see that cart status control, and what we actually see in here has been grabbed out. So there we go, we can see where it says shopping cart, and we can see the bit we're interested in is the 0 items. We change the 0 for a tag, items in cart. And now I've actually put 3 items in the cart through another page just to show you it working, so that when I click that you'll be able to see the items in a minute. There we go, it goes to 3 items, and notice there's a hyperlink. Now on import all hyperlinks are stripped, so I'm going to put in the link, the page, the URL shopping cart page.aspx in there. That's it now, so that's fully working. So that will link through to the shopping cart page when we do it in a minute, and that will update. Now lastly we've got the logo. Now this is the one out of the template. We don't actually want to use this, we want the merchant to be able to change it. So if it was a regular image, which it isn't, we could just swap it out, because that will highlight all images, but we can't do that because it's not an image. Now if you start a swap you want to cancel, there's the cancel button. Okay, so it's slightly more complicated than that. So what we need to do is we need to find the location of it in the HTML, and it's actually an anchor tag with a style of with a class of logo. What we actually want to do is ditch that altogether and replace it with a tag, which is company logo. Okay, and that will put in there whatever the merchant has set. Now at present the merchant's not set anything, so how about for the merchant we actually make the logo the default that was there a minute ago. So we can do that. Got another tab open here with the original store. I'm going to extract that from there. In fact, there's an easier way. We can just Control Z to undo that, and then we can take it out of here. So we've got the class, we use Firebug, our friend, right click save image as, we save that to the desktop, and then what we can do is we can delete it again. Oops. And replace it with the company logo. Okay, brilliant. And now we're going to have a quick trip into the CMS, back to admin area, account details. Here it is, company logo, browse, where we go. Okay, yeah, update, and it will go in here, and this is used anywhere, and then back to the store. There we go, brilliant. And the merchant can then edit that nice and easily through there. So now we've got the merchant's logo here, a fully working shopping cart status control, and we've cleaned up the top. So that's the header and the footer. Next we're going to do the site navigation.